people of the internet. Welcome to Keith's Woodshop. I'm Keith, and this is not my woodshop. This is just a different room in the house. And since I've got nobody telling me I can't do it, I'll do woodworking wherever I want. But this is just a simple unboxing video, number 4. That's all your fingers but no thumb. That'd be 5. And that was counting with Keith. Maybe next time we'll get up to 6 or 7. Alright, what is in our box today? Today we have a 3/4 inch bevel edged Stanley chisel. Need to flatten that back better and work on the bevel. It's pretty sharp right now. It could work. Works pretty good. Nice about these, when the handle goes bad, I can just turn a new one. Pop it in there.